Welcome to Wings India 2024. Air India's new livery A350-900.
Namaste, welcome on board.
Namaste, welcome to Air India's first A350-900.
Hope you enjoy the experience.
The Boeing 777X. The Airport Authority of India Beech 350, Shraddha Airbus Helicopters H125, Chipsan Aviation Airbus H135, Global Vectra Helicopter Leonardo AW169, Jetset Go Hawker 800 XP, Indigo A321 Freighter, the only airline to operate the A321 Freighter in India. Visiting a cargo aircraft for the first time in my life. This is how it looks like from the inside. Air India Express new livery Boeing 737 MAX 8. I have a review on their business class, so do make sure to check it out. Boarding the 777X, guys! Guys, behind me, as you can see, it's the 777X. It's an experimental aircraft, so it's all panels and all everything. You have the computer system, everything. So this is what it looks like, guys. If you are not able to attend Wings India, then this is what it looks like, guys. This is the 777X. It's going to be there on Aero India, which the dates are going to come in a while. So you still have a chance to be standing where I'm standing today. And guys, one of the coolest things about aviation, this is how the flight deck looks like of the 777X. Guys, this is what the flight deck looks like. You can see all the buttons over here on the 777X. So now one cool feature about the 777 is that this is a camera, and this blue line is where it's a taxiing camera. So when the aircraft is taxiing, so because of the size of the aircraft and the landing gear, so the camera is used. This blue line indicates where the taxiway ends, so that the taxiing can take place safely. And over here somewhere we have the very cool feature of the winglets flipping, and they're getting back to the flex position. This is the switch, I guess. Victims fold and they extend. This is the cool feature on the 777X, which makes it different from all the other 777-200 and 300 LRs and ERs. Guys, you can actually see through the exit the massive wing of the 777X. Hello.
How you doing?
Good?
Good.
So you can see, so this is all the avionics which is going on here. Such a long fuselage, guys. So this is what a 777 looks like when it's all empty. There's nothing. I'm walking here right now on this corridor, which goes till the rear of the aircraft. These tanks which you can see, they are filled with water to give weight to the aircraft, because even on a test flight you need weight to give to the aircraft, because you cannot fly without weight. And guys, that's where the APU exhaust is. and the lavatory. Guys, this is what a 777 looks like in reality. It's so wide. Because when you are traveling on a full 777, fully stocked with seats and the cabin, it doesn't look that big. But when you come on an empty 777 with all the avionics, you can see how massive it looks. I mean, this is out of the world. Now I confess that it's a very wide aircraft. It's like almost as wide as the 380, I guess. A golden opportunity to see the 777-9 for the 777X for the first time in my life. And you'll be surprised to know for all the Indians that Air India has placed order for about 20 777X. You'll get to fly on one of these birds soon with the full cabin of the new and improved Air India. Cheers guys on that note. Each seat also has an IFE here for the Boeing employees, so they won't get bored during these long flights from all the way from the United States to our beloved country India. Guys, the leg room which you get in a normal economy seat. Obviously there's going to be a second row here, but not on the test aircraft, right? This is the leg room. It's like this. It's really nearly about business class. And the wing is amazing for the 777X. Never seen like a chocolate type winglet on a 777, guys. So you can clearly see the wing is so massive, a very massive chocolate. You can see the entire. You can see literally half the wings India from the window. Literally, it's my first time on the 777X. I'm really grateful. A special thanks to Boeing for the permission which they allotted me to be sitting here right now at this very moment. Thank you. Guys, this is the taxiway of the aircraft. This is on which the aircraft walks on. Really amazing, guys, and just next to the gorgeous 777X. The only airline to operate the A321P2F in India, and it's none other than Indigo.
I'm Hotel Cargo.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi, thank you so much. Hello. Guys, that's the cargo hold. So this is what a converted freighter looks like. So there are pallets everywhere. There are no seats on board the jet, and all pallets Okay, so these are all the locks and all the chains. Just all the pallets will just come in, and they can load all the cargo here. Guys, this is what the freighter looks like. A321 freighter, a passenger plane converted into a cargo aircraft. Well, believe me, this was a passenger aircraft before. It's brand new for Indigo, but the original age is 14 years for this aircraft as we speak. And this is what it looks like, guys. The A321 freighter of Indigo. Guys, this is the forward deck cargo door, as you can see here, and the flooring here is different because these are wheels basically. These are wheels. These are there to move the pallets easily through the floor, through the cabin floor. So you don't have to push all the way. These are actually locks to lock the pallets and mount them in their position so that they don't get moved or develop any unwanted damage during the flight. This very tiny gate to get to the flight deck and the L1 and R1 doors, because they try to get as much space they can do on this little freighter. There's just one jump seat over here and a small lavatory, and then only the flight decks, so that they can get as much space they can to load all that area. Wow. Boarding the 737 MAX 8 of the new Air India Express livery. Hello, good morning. Guys, this is what the aircraft looks like.
This is cabin. Aircraft we have to look from outside.
This is the cabin, the 2-2 configuration in business class, and this is economy class, the full 3-3 configuration. What the business class cabin looks like over here in a 2-2 configuration, and behind me, as you can see, it's the economy class cabin in a 3-3 configuration. Thank you so much for letting me come on board.
Thank you. All the best.
Our pleasure.
Thank you. Guys, this is the most interesting part of any aircraft, the flight deck or the cockpit. So you can see all the buttons over here, and the avionics bay and the circuit breakers. of this. I can literally just one jump and I'm on the wing. Literally. So this is made of pure metal. You can hear the sound. So this is all metal, and all of this is so everything is screwed here so properly that aerodynamically when the plane is airborne, none of this gets stripped apart. So a United Airlines plane crashed. So and it was because of the same reason over here. This got ripped to the tail, and the plane lost the balance and crashed. So this is a very delicate process during an aircraft manufacturing. So every single screw has to be put in a way that it cannot get it does not get teared off in any circumstances in the air. And if we talk about the stabilizers, I can just it acts as a seat here over here, and I can literally touch the tail here. And this do not push because this is your rudder. This is the rudder panel which helps in the yawing the aircraft. And the livery looks very nice. It's a very unique livery. I really like the brown design. Victor Tango Charlie Zulu Romeo is the registration for the set. Strobe light and the nav light. So this is the green navigation light on this side, and on the other side it's the red navigation light. Guys, this is a way how you board a turboprop aircraft. You board through the wings. This is what it looks like. So normally none of you would have walked on an aircraft wing before. Well, over here you can actually. This is the no step line basically. So this is how you walk on a wing basically. You don't walk everywhere because these are the flaps. These are flap track fairings. So this is the step line on which all the workers who are on the wing, they walk on. So on the no step line, beyond the no step line, nobody can walk. So this is how you can board a massive jet. So this is what it looks like. Aircraft now, and this is what a luxury business jet aircraft looks like. There's ceramic cutlery all over the place, so it looks something like this. So the whole sofa over here, a full couch, a seat, and so many coolers. On such a hot day over here. Guys, these are what covered windows look like. Which reminds me of all the grounded Go First A320 Neos all over India. And a little avionics bay up as well, up here. This is a Dornier 228. Indian Air Force also operate these aircraft, guys. We're going on board this aircraft, guys. Oh, and it's a medical aircraft. Guys, So we also have all the medical supplies here. It's a medical airlift, as you can see here. So all the seats over here and the patient bed to make a makeshift ICU, a little ICU types, and the flight deck. This is like a drone types little aircraft, as you can see here. That's how it looks like. If anyone knows what this is and why is it made, then what is its purpose, then do let me know in the comment section below. Guys, one of the coolest aircraft is this aircraft here. This was the aircraft which was involved in the air show just a few minutes ago. So what a gorgeous looking aircraft with all the stars and the UK flag, because it's also a UK registered jet along with the other 3 aircraft. Boarding the A350 of Air India, the new livery A350. Namaste. I'm good. Thank you.
Namaste, welcome on board.
Namaste, welcome to Air India's first A350-900.
Hope you enjoy the experience.
Thank you. This is like a bar on the A350 where there are going to be alcoholic beverages during the flight. What a unique idea. terrace over here to enjoy the light show which is about to happen. So enjoy, guys.